Navigate to the default parking space in the parking lot. Yields for traffic, slows down and gives way. Recognizes pedestrians and vehicles, slows down and changes lanes to avoid them. Practicing default space on B1. 3D model and visualization interface. Supports saving of preferred parking spaces. Challenge 2. From the default space on B1 to the selected space on level 3. Assertive when meeting oncoming traffic, ensuring safety during passing. Proactively identifies vehicles traveling in the wrong direction, slows down and yields. Carefully avoids obstacles occupying lanes, detects and moves past barriers blocking lane. Arrives at the selected parking space on level 3. No fixed parking space required. Selected parking space is occupied, automatically parks into an adjacent vacant space.